Jungle Walk video 2. That's the trail I came from. I went around these little trees, came down this one, and now we're going in this direction. And I don't know if you see well, but it looks like real jungle. Looks like that's the end. It's a very old trail. I don't think any trucks have been on this side for a few years. And here, if you don't use the trail, in a little while it's all covered up. And here is a little creek somewhere under these leaves. The dirt is orange, and there's a little creek on this side. And I don't know if it's orange because it's orange, or it's orange because of some kind of pollution or natural color or something. Now I have to make my way up here, uphill here. It's really steep. Reminds me when we were skiing with Fritz and Ed down Hikarita Peak. I had to handle all the branches and duck under them. Here I have pretty flowers. And who knows what kind of bugs to walk through. And show the view down seem like this, but it's pretty steep. Opens a little bit more here. Some dragonflies. Ooh, here it looks really dark. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe there is some monster. Okay. I think I'm out of the trail. Oh no, still here. Just the palm trees are so big. Look at that. Whoosh. It's not 7,000 or 10,000 feet elevation, but with this heat I'm out of breath. There we are. I have to find my way through this thick jungle. See you on the other side.